Welcome to Lipscomb Fiat. This is our Fiat Tipo 1.4 Easy Plus in ambient white. Standard vehicle features include front and rear fog lights, LED daytime running lights, alloy wheels, chrome door handles, body coloured door mirrors, and rear parking sensors. On the interior, we have the black cloth seats, central armrest, black leather steering wheel with controls for the cruise control, speed limiter and telephone, digital dash screen showing the current vehicle mileage, 5-inch touchscreen with controls for the radio, media, Bluetooth, telephone and Bluetooth streaming, air conditioning, USB and auxiliary ports, 6-speed manual gearbox,